Hello guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. It's me Rahim, I'm a software engineer JavaScript. So today video guys, I'm going to teach you how to improve your English language skill. So this is what the topic is today. So in this video I will show you the strategy how to improve the way I have improved my communication skill and English language skill. Yeah, I know. I can hear you what you are saying. Yes, my English language skill is not improved up to that level. So I'm not very good at English. But the thing is, at least I'm speaking up to some level, right? So how I improved this much of level? In this video, guys, I will share with you the strategies which I have followed, the style which I have learned to improve my English skill. So this is the easiest way to improve your language skill, right? So this is what I'm going to share through this video. Then without much more talk, let's begin to the video. Okay guys, why we need to improve our English language skill? Because English language is basically must to learn if you work with international peoples, or if you want to communicate some informations with others that they doesn't know your language. So then English is the global language you need to communicate with them. So that is doesn't matter, that is not denoting basically your intelligence, right? This is just a communicating tool, right? So it's a communicating language to speak and share the information between each others, right? Keep that in your mind, right? So how to improve our English language skill? This is what really a big problem, because we don't know where to start basically. So we don't know where to improve, and because if you know the starting point, then only you can improve your English language skill. Then you can go level by level, right? One by one you can go. But unfortunately, if you don't know where to start, then this video for you, I will share with you all the informations where do you need to start. You know what, if you compare my previous video and the latest videos, you can understand very clearly how I improved my communication skill, how I improved my language. So you can feel the difference between when you compare with my previous videos and the latest videos. So yes, continuously learning. I'm really continuously learning, because very difficult to learn via working in a different company, because I need to manage my works and I need to work on myself and I need to create my YouTube channels. I have a lot of things to do, but managing a time is really difficult, right? But if you have a lot of time, yes, you can improve your skills, language skill very quickly within a short period of time. But you need to keep continuously learning, otherwise that is not possible. You need to keep learning continuously, then only your communication skill and the English language skill will be get improved. Communication skill, you must need to speak in front of a camera or in front of a mirror, otherwise it will not getting improved. But English language skill you must need to improve, because the vocabularies and the tenses and all the things you must need to know if you want to learn English. So let's go one by one, right? So first thing you must need to improve is your vocabulary. So what is this vocabulary? Don't get scared. Vocabulary is a kind of a word we are using. Vocabulary is basically a kind of a words in English, right? So it's a kind of a word. Let's say eat. That means eat, right? So you know that, right? What is that meaning of that eat? So likewise, you need to know these words meanings. You need to learn every word's meaning. That is, you need to keep remember. Then your vocabularies get improved. So vocabulary is basically you need to learn lot of words with the meanings, because that is later useful to create a sentence. So forming a sentence, that is really useful if you have more vocabularies, right? More words, English words with a meaning, right? That is the one thing. The second thing you must need to know is the time and the timing period. So you know what, we have in English we have tenses, right? We mostly we overall we have 12 tenses in English. So but mostly first the basic thing you need to know is there's a three kind of a tenses there. One is simple present, past tense, and the future tense. So these are the three tenses exist in the English language. But other than that, we have still 12. So with including these three, we overall have 12 tenses. You need to master in that also, because you know what, that will give you the hint how to forming the sentences, right? So in English, how to forming the sentence is very important, because let's say you are talking about a future, you will forming the word will be will be something, right? So we need to form that word, right? We need to form that sentence. Let's say I will study tomorrow. That means I'm saying I will study tomorrow. So say it's happening in the future, right? So that's how you need to form the sentence. But before forming this sentence, you must need to know which category or which time period you are talking about. So this is the reason why tenses are coming. So then keep in mind the second thing is tenses. Tenses is really important. If you master it in tenses, then creating a sentence is or forming a sentence is nothing. It's not a big deal anymore, right? I know guys, you know what, I'm just teaching you because what I have learned, the way I have learned is totally different than what others people teaching, because I have my own style to learn. So that is the way I have learning these languages. So just I'm sharing with you here the whatever the things I have tried to improve, that is what I'm sharing with you. Yes, I know I'm not expert in this language improvement skill, but you know what, but some whatever the things I am learning, I'm just sharing through you guys, right? So this is what my purpose of creating this video. So I hope this will be helpful for you. That's the reason I'm normally creating, because otherwise you know what, I'm always creating these technical videos. Anyway, stop talking too much and focus on the important part. The third thing is what? Third thing is you need to practice more. So this is not enough. If you are learning these the tenses and all and vocabularies, you need to practice more. So if you are do practice more and more and again, then it will automatically get improve your skills, English language skill and communication skill. If you whatever the things you are learning, whatever the sentence you are forming, if you are speaking in front of others, or if you are speaking, so if you need to definitely speak. So if you are speaking again and again, even it's a correct or incorrect, then only you will get improved. So don't care about the people what they are going to think about your communication skill or English skill. That doesn't matter. Everyone don't know everything, right? At the beginning very difficult, but when you are start practicing more and more again and again, you will become a better version of it, right? Keep that in mind. So this is so basically this is the strategy. So if you are practicing more and more, then you become what? Fluent. Then you become more advanced again and again, because you are keeping practicing a one thing again and again, mean you are getting practice, right? So you are getting more practice, right? So this will be improve your communication skill, this will be improve your English skill, right? So that is the thing. You need to, whatever the things you are learning, you must need to practice it. So then only you will become a better version. So your English also get improved, right? So that is the third thing. And the fourth thing is you need to improve your listening skill. So listening skill is one of the important thing. You know what, if you are if someone is speaking in front of you, let's assume they are native speaker, right? So how do you understand? So due to this reason, you need to due to your lack of English skill, you can't understand properly. So how to improve your listening skill? That's the reason you need to listen some podcast, right? So listen podcast, there's a lot of plenty of YouTube channels are there. We can listen a lot of podcast here. I will suggest you a few more YouTube channels, then you can listen and improve your English skill, because listening is really important. You know what, guys, listening will help you to improve lot of things. Listening will be improve your listening skill. Second is that is improving your vocabularies, some words. If you don't know some words when someone is speaking in the podcast, if you don't know word, write down everything and just search those words, whatever the things you don't know, just learn about them, just learn about that particular words, right? So then you are improving your listening and you are improving your vocabularies and all things you are do with this listening through this podcast. So I'm really interested to listen podcast, because what, because when I go to bed, before that at least I watch at least I listen one podcast, right? That will help me to improve my listening skill and improve my English language skill. So first one is basically BBC Learning. So BBC Learning is one of the YouTube channel you need to subscribe, right? So in that YouTube channel they posting videos in English videos in 1 minute, so you can learn English videos, or you can listening those, and you can improve your vocabularies, you can improve your listening skills. So there's a plenty of videos they posted. You can at least for a day, one or two, you can listen, and you can then improve your English skill. The second one is chetchat. So chetchat is basically another channel. I personally like that channel because you know what, she also basically teaching a lot of things, how to making forming a sentences, and what is the words pronouncing wrong, and lot of videos out there you can watch without paying single rupees, right guys, single rupees. So you can watch her YouTube videos as well. So if you really want to improve your communication skill and you really want to improve your language skill, you know what, if you improve your language skill, then only you can speak correctly. Then only if you want to speak in English, you will speak correctly. Otherwise it's very difficult to speak, right? So she having lot of she had post lot of videos in her YouTube channel. If you really interest, you can watch her YouTube channel, watch her videos, right? So third one is basically British Council Learn English. That is another channel you must need to subscribe. There you can see some of the IELTS and grammar lessons, a lot of things, some forgets a lot of informative English improving videos have this site. So you can improve your English language looking through or watch these videos. So this is another thing. Other than that, I suggest YouTube channels. If you have any other YouTube channels that is help us to improve our listening skill, or it doesn't matter, it's a podcast or movies or anything. So if you have anything or any suggestions, you can put below in the comment section. That will be very helpful for others who are watching my YouTube and come into the comment section. Then they also follow the recommendation which you are posted in the comment section, right? So these are the things you must need to improve for improve your communication skill, because these are the things you must need to do, because I regularly doing this, because even sometimes I am speaking not very good, but I'm still learning continuously. I try my best to do that, and also you also need to do the same to make your communication skill better than me, right? So if you practice more and more, you become more fluent, right? So this is really important. You know what, sometimes if you don't know whatever the things you are doing is correct or not, there is a one platform you need to use. Basically you need to take a help from Gen AI tools, like we have the Bard, right? Google Bard is there, and the other one is ChatGPT is there. So if you are, let's say if you are learning tenses in English, right? So you want to know the sentence forming structure is correct or not. So you don't have any idea because you are doing a self study. So where do you check these whether I'm doing correct or not? So yes, that is the reason you need to use these Gen AI tools, because these are helping us to improve our skills, right? So that's the reason you must need to use these kind of a tools. Let me show you Bard tool. So quickly show you. So this is a Google Bard. So this is how whatever the things I am doing in a self study. So normally I am doing a self study. So I just want to check whether the things I have learned is correct or not. So due to this reason I have used this Bard. So here look at this. These are few example. You can able to see this. I'm just asking, hey, I have been learn English from last week. I'm brushing up tenses forming knowledge. So could you please help me on the questions? Then you know what, after that few more answers. Then after that, basically I am giving a answer, the formula for structuring this sentence in each tenses. So then I can know whether whatever the things I have learned, whether it's correct or not. So if it is incorrect, I can recorrect it. So look at this. First questions I am asking. Here is the first question and answer. Recorrect the answer if it is incorrect, right? Tell me the sentence forming structure for present perfect continuous. So answer is, I'm giving a subject plus auxiliary verbs, have been or has been, plus verb ing, present participle, right? This is basically present participle, right? So you can see now I can the Bard is basically help me to clear my doubt. This tool is saying your answer is completely correct. You got a perfect formula for forming sentence for present perfect continuous. And also you can see some example. I have been living in London for 5 years. He has been studying all day. They have been giving things breakfast. So whatever the doubts you have, just post it in the Bard and just ask a question from Bard, then you can learn from them, right? So these are the technique I am using to improve my English language skill. Final thing is reading. So reading also very important. So keep reading and improve your English skill. So that is also that is the final one. I am consider this as a final one. So you know what, some people not like to read, some people really like to read, but some people reading some gossips in their social media. Some people really like to read some storybooks in English. So these are really very important, and this will be improve your English language skill. So keep a note and give a try all these things, and let me know how your English language skill is, right? So I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something new. If you really like, and if you think this video is really helpful, and if you really like this video, and hit the like button in the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you do, only when I upload a new video you will get notified. Then guys, have a great day. I will catch you on new video. Bye.